Hi, Thomas Howe. I'm here for the interview with Mr. Dexter.
Yeah, sure thing. Just take a seat and he'll be out in a minute.
Relaxation session 32. Shake off your nervous energy and think about your special place of calm and let all anxiety waste away. Reach out now and touch something in your special place. Breathe in positivity and breathe out all that nasty anxiety. See a light and touch it.
Hi, Mr. How is it?
Yes?
Great. I'm James. Please come with me for your interview. 9 a.m.? You have the interview at 9 a.m., is it?
Yes.
Great. Come with me for your interview. After you. You sit here, and I sit here. As your boss. Nervous? It can be scary going for a new job. Water or Coke?
Water, thanks.
Are you sure?
Water's fine.
Coke's better. Cheers. So, you like movies?
Yep.
Star Wars. You like Star Wars? Harry Potter.
Not so much, no.
What about Voldemort? I love Voldemort. Harry Potter is dead. No. Silence, stupid girl. Harry Potter is dead. From this day forth, you put your faith in me.
I'm just not into it.
I'm not finished yet. Harry Potter's dead.
So the interview's in here.
Yes, correct.
It's just that it's gone 10 past.
Great. We'll get straight into it.
Isn't someone else going to be joining us? Someone going to be interviewing me?
Just me. I noticed you're dressed very conservatively.
It's an interview.
There's a bit of colour.
Okay. Thank you.
I read through your resume. You're applying for a solicitor role.
Yes.
Why not senior associate?
Sorry?
See that painting? Like it?
Yep.
That's on the original Dexter. I have a few of them hanging around the joint. So, you've come from Lemont, across the road. They are a great firm. What made you want to change?
I didn't think the direction of the company was somewhere I wanted to stay in the long run.
More detail.
I didn't think they did much for the community. They're just a money-making machine.
We make a lot of money here too.
But your pro bono department has an amazing reputation, particularly with startups. At Lamont, they rejected a lot of great-looking not-for-profits because they only dealt with more established organizations.
I like that answer. You're the first person whose answer I've liked. You do know there's a partner position going here.
No, I didn't.
You're the type to make it there. I can tell. I've seen so many over the years. You know how long I've been here.
How long have you been here?
Almost 11 years. I started when I was 16.
I have a lot to learn from you.
Including your taste in film.
James, again.
Is that his file? I need that.
Paul Dexter, I'm sorry about this.
No, not at all.
James, you cannot keep taking files off my desk. I've been looking everywhere for this. This is not a game.
You'd be glad I did take them?
See that trolley? You see that, James?
Yes.
That is what you're supposed to do. Take around the tea and coffee and do the photocopying, not role play with my interviewees.
Shall we continue in my office?
James. You asked me before about why I left Lamont.
Yes.
So why did you ask me that?
Because your resume said a senior associate. And you're going for a lesser role here. It didn't make sense. I thought you might have been fired.
And what did you think of my answer when I told you?
I liked it. You're willing to get paid less here, so you can help people. You're not in it for the money. You are more than just money. He's genuine, you know. I could tell he's not trying to be a big shot.
James, stop.
Why this is all I'm good for, right?
Come and sit here. Sit down. I want you to ask the rest of your questions. I'm very impressed with what you've written here. I want you to teach me how it's done.
You mean that?
Hmm.
The next question I had was, where do you see yourself in 10 years?
Well, I believe in commitment. I'd want to see myself still here, managing cases in your pro bono department. That's my goal.
Mr. Joe White, is it?
Yeah, that's me.
James Dexter, would you please come with me for your interview?
Yeah.
We're after you. Mr. White,
This is Thomas Howe. One of our partners will be interviewing with me today.
Pleased to meet you.
Likewise.
Take a seat. Would you like a water or Coke?
Water.
Joe, you know how long I've been here.
How long?
Coming up to 15 years. Needless to say, I know a thing or two